It depends on who you're dealing with.
It depends on how you do it.
If you have strawberries and roses, although if I have a train of roses coming from when I'm coming from work, okay, a bath running, and then some cherries, yeah, baby, take it off, yes. But if I sit there and I get in the door and then you like here, no, honey, you ain't getting none. I'm sorry.
Y'all very demanding.
We're not. It's just that we want you to try. Valentine's Day is the day that you show your appreciation, your love to that person. And it is overrated. Yes, you don't need to go out. No, but you know what? You make sure that you put some form of effort into it. For me, as long as a man is putting effort, and that's the problem. I think that's the problem with most women. Men stop putting effort. Put effort into it. Put thought into it. I don't care. You don't need to buy me nothing. You don't need to buy me anything, but put effort into it. Either cook, make sure that I have a couple rose petals at the door or something
different. Something.
Even
if you cook, it's okay if you usually cook, but this time put rose petals.
There you go. Or have breakfast in bed when she wakes up. How about that? Before if you know that you both work, cook breakfast. Souf la lan hotel ou vle dépenser quoi? Business pas, oui. Mais if you have a home, and you know what, you want to cook breakfast. Surprise him or her with breakfast in bed. Okay, when you come home, you both work. Come home with some roses. And you know what?
You'll know.
How about women who just want?
Then you're dating the wrong kind of women, and it's the same thing for men. If you
they're not giving anything.
Then you're dating the wrong.
When I say giving, I'm not talking about like just a gift. It's just like they just waiting for that day for the men to.
Then you're not doing something right. I just said that you're not doing something right.
Not doing anything any other days, so she has to look forward to Valentine's Day when you're finally going to give her something.
Listen,
if you're doing stuff on the regular, she will not worry about Valentine's Day.
There's only expectations. That's right. There's only expectations when you're not doing it on a regular.
No, but we did. No.
If you're doing it,
I think we're talking in circles because that was my point earlier. I said that I believe in every day. Say, well, yeah, even if you do it every day, but on that day you still have, now you.
But you just said that. What about women that just want on Valentine's Day?
No, I'm not talking about in Valentine's. I'm talking in general. There are some women.
Then you're dating the wrong type of person. Any man that's dating any person. I'm not gonna say men. Any person, man or woman, that's dating somebody where it's want, and you feel that you're not enough. You're dating. That's not the person for you, because if you're killing yourself trying to please that person and they're not appreciating what you do, who you are as a person, then you're dating clearly the wrong person. And and I've said it and I'm sticking to it. It's true.
Wait, so Pusha just said we're selfish.
Jimmy Dejean, KPS.
I don't want to kill myself. I don't want to kill myself trying to please a man.
Is Valentine's Day for women?
No, it's for both.
It's not.
It's a day
so
of love.
So you would think Valentine's Day is for men?
No, I think Valentine's Day is for both. It's to celebrate love.
From what I see,
but why is the men got to do all the work?
Exactly.
But you know what though? Because men are born to pursue.
Yeah, usually don't do nothing.
That's the thing, and that's the problem. The reason why is because men are born to pursue. You guys are the conquerors. You guys are the one who goes after. So that's why they always make it seem like, of course, men, especially in Haitian community, femme parle des garçons. Okay, c'est garçons qui présentent cette fille by femme. Okay,
it's true.
So femme parle des garçons, no.
C'est du passé.
Femme parle des garçons.
No, the way I was raised.
Exactly.
The way I was raised. I don't know about other women, but the way I was raised. I'm sorry, to me, it's pas de problème.
Nous avons KPS ça, un petit garçon, KPS, monsieur gagne wave,
Jean-Michel madame quitter ça passé.
Jean-Michel
madame quitter Dina mourir ça sans blonde.
My brother-in-law?
Oh, quand Jean-Michel?
My brother-in-law tells me all the time. He tells me all the time. He's like, my